Hi YouTube. Um, Doing a EDC update. Some things have changed because items got lost or stolen by the kids. Alright, let's start from top, work our way down to the pockets. Strong ear, not that I'm going deaf, is Bluetooth headset. Alright. Strong coin pocket. Bic lighter. Altoids tin. Holds my aspirin, and I keep aspirin on me nearly all the time. We'll take that back, all the time. Same pocket. This little folding knife. Picked that up for $1 at a cigarette store. Strong right front pocket. Loose mobile phone. Screwdriver with multiple bits. Top one, bottom one. Both ends hold Phillips, small Phillips head, and standard up here. I guess you could call it a little bit medium Phillips head and standard screwdriver on this end. Great tool. Good to have. Lightweight. And my Zebra F402 blue ink until it runs out, then I'll switch to black. All stainless, including the clicky and its I guess housing. Rubber grip, sleeve type of thing. Good to have. Very tactical on a budget. Paid $1 for it. Strong back pocket. My cat's eye. Have yet to do a review on that with a paracord lanyard. My wallet holds my ID. Yes, I did show it, but no, you can't find me. Has my cards, rewards cards, all that. Different stores I go to, grocery stores. Set for strong. Going to weak. Fantastic. Yes. Pack of Maverick Menthol hundreds. Gotta smoke. I'm Japanese. This T-Mobile Comet. It's an Android. Got quite a few apps on it. This I've been using that to record my videos. Just wanted to try this camera, that modded one that I made a video on. Wanted to try it out, see how it went. Same pocket, 5 gum. Weak back pocket. Little black notebook. Switch back to that because, well, it's more sturdy. just got to deal with the comfort. And my handkerchief. That's about it. A couple things that are missing that you might have noticed was the two-way radio. As I said in my previous video, that two-way isn't really my EDC or an EDC. I just carried it. I carry it primarily in the van. So yeah, that's missing. My flashlight, which was stolen by one of the kids, or I lost it. Can't blame the kids for everything. But yeah, it got ganked or lost someplace in this house. I hope it's in the house. Yeah, those two are gone. The marker's gone. That carpenter's pencil isn't there. I gave it to my son. In fact, I'll probably let him do a EDC on what he's got. I'm getting him into it. He's 10, gonna be 11. But yeah, good kid, somewhat. He's the oldest of six sons. He's the oldest. Yes, I said 6. It's rough. It's rough, guys. Oh God. But yeah, they're all bad. Gotta love them. Can't eat them. Alright, comment, subscribe, and I'll be doing another update hopefully soon. YouTube, take it easy.